Hey, it's Ben. I have this Worture replacement water filter. The company sent this over to me and has compensated me for this video, so let's check it out.
Okay, so I'm here at the fridge and I have my new water filter. Here's the old one. To pull it out, I always use pliers because it's really difficult to get just with your bare hands. So twist it counterclockwise and it'll pop out once it's a quarter turn. And just kind of twist and keep pulling it. I always put a towel here because it's going to drip just a bit. And you can just empty that out in the sink. And then the new one, we're going to take the cap off, put it right in, and we're going to push and twist clockwise. You can hear the water kind of rush into it. You know that it's in there the right way. Okay, once it's installed, it's suggested to run the water for about 3 gallons or about 5 minutes just to get all the water running through it, get the air bubbles out, and get the water filter conditioned. Once the water's all done, then you can reset your filter if you have an option on your refrigerator, or you can use these date stickers to put onto your water filter so you know the date that you installed it and you'll know what time to change it. When you're all done, you can have yourself a nice glass of filtered water. And it's good. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.